Righto, just a quick one before we begin. I've had to split this one up in two parts. If you can, watch them both. Otherwise, watch one part now and one part next week. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello, you lovely bunch of English-speaking people out there, and you 102 subscribers. If you like this video, please subscribe. And obviously, for those who are subscribed already, share it if you can. If you like it, share it. That's the only way I'm going to be able to get out there, especially the English people, okay? Because the Italians seem to be sharing it, but obviously I'm not going to get an awful lot of response from it if they share it with people that don't speak Italian. Don't speak English. Okay, right. So in the car, it's sort of raining, snowing. Okay, so it's a little bit cool here still. Today we're going to do ripiena, pasta ripiena, which is a pasta which means ripiena means filled in or filled up. Okay, so we're going to be doing pasta filled up with something, which I still don't know what we're going to be doing, with meris. Okay, so it could be cappelletti, it could be tortellini, it could be anything like that. Anyway, probably you bought it before, but now we're going to see how to do it. So it's a little bit more technical. It's not the sort of the easiest things to do, certainly, but definitely a good thing to be able to do anyway. Okay, so we're coming here. It's called agriturismo viale, which means which means big road, but in actual fact what it's called is agriturismo viale because it's a long driveway, so it's quite a big driveway. So here we're coming. Agriturismo is a type of a bed and breakfast with a farmhouse, so all the produce here is made by them. Okay, so here we go, and there it is. So if anybody's interested in coming here, let us know and we'll put you in the right direction. Okay. God dear, just the day for it. Right. Ciao Maris, hi. Okay, so
are you ready for cappelletti and ravioli?
Oh, said in a real Italian way. Well done, absolutely. So we're doing cappelletti and ravioli. Cos'è il ripieno? Cos'è che mettiamo dentro?
Nei cappelletti formaggio.
Ok, so in the cappelletti we're doing cheese e poi?
Cheese. Nei ravioli spinaci, parmigiano e ricotta.
Okay, so in the ravioli we're doing spinach, ricotta, cheese and cos'era? Spinach, poi? Parmigiano, okay, Parmesan cheese. Okay, perfect. Okay. Let's do it. Right, okay, so what we've got here, I'm going to get Meris to tell me exactly what we've got. So this is what we're going to be using, which is, here we've got Parmigiano. So we've got Parmesan cheese, qui
ricotta e cacciotta.
Okay, so it's ricotta cacciotta. I really don't know what the translation is, but it's anyway. They're fresh cheeses, so anything that's a little bit creamy. Okay. Sale non c'è, semplicemente a piacere, giusto? Okay, so we've got a load of salt, which obviously you see how much goes in. We've got nutmeg here, then we've got ricotta cheese here, some spinach, and ancora abbiamo la parmigiano. So we've got parmesan here as well. We've got a little bit of pepper, we've got homemade eggs, and we've got flour, which he's using tipo 00. Okay, right, and obviously we've got everything else there. There we go. Okay. Right, okay, so we've got everything. We're about ready to go. The only thing that's missing is the pinafore. Okay. Okay, right, we're here. Okay, so this is going to be done for 4 people. Let's go. Right.
Ok. Allora, facciamo 3 uova.
Okay. Uguale?
Uguale, sì.
Dobbiamo fare la fontana?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to be doing the fontana. Okay, so we're going to be using 3 eggs in here.
200 grammi di farina.
Okay, so 1 egg for every 100 grams of flour, but obviously Maris does it just by seeing the consistency. Okay. So now we're on to the ripieno, the filling up of the pasta. So we're now going to start mixing it all in to get prepared for when the pasta comes out after half an hour. Okay.
Oh. Allora, qui abbiamo i formaggi
Okay.
freschi, mettiamo un pizzico di sale,
So just a little bit of salt, as you can see, it's a pinch of salt,
la noce moscata,
a little bit of nutmeg. Okay.
il pepe,
Right. A little bit of pepper. So that was, here we go. That was a real whole nutmeg. She's just literally taken off a little bit. We're doing it for 4 people, I think. So that's how much. A little bit of pepper. And now she's mixing around with a fork, as you can see. Right, so we've got 250 grams of this soft cheese, and we've got 100 grams of Parmesan cheese, which she's added just a little bit at the moment,
e un uovo.
and another egg. Perché?
Allora, i cappelletti romagnoli sono di formaggio,
Ok.
perché si dice che la Romagna era una terra povera
Uh-huh.
e quindi non c'era tanta carne, quindi i cappelletti col formaggio.
Okay. So when this was invented or discovered or whatever happened, the Romagna, which is the area that we're in, was quite a poor region, and they didn't have a lot of meat. Whereas in Bologna, it was a little bit more richer, and so all the ravioli were filled with meat, with I guess what we probably call bolognese. Okay.
Adesso questo lo lasciamo riposare
Okay.
perché si deve compattare.
Okay, so now we're going to leave it as well, this part here, for about quanto tempo?
Ah, qualche ora anche.
Ah, okay, so that's going to be left for about an hour. Not too sure what it, but she said to basically to stick together a little bit more. Okay,
Ok, adesso facciamo i ravioli.
perfetto. So now we're going to do the ravioli,
Ravioli.
or at least the fill for the ravioli. And we've got quanto di spinaci più o meno?
250 grammi
Anche
crudi,
lì.
crudi,
Okay. So we've got 250 grams of spinach uncooked. Okay, so as you can see here, wait 1 second, let me just hop off and here. So we've got a little tiny bit of spinach there, and we've got the formaggio era ricotta,
Ricotta.
and we've got ricotta cheese as well. Quanti grammi?
200-300 grammi.
Okay, 200 or 300 grams of ricotta cheese.
Sì,
Okay.
così va.
Right.
Di olio di oliva.
A little bit of oil, olive oil.
Ok. Sale. L'ho messo.
Pinch of salt has already been put. A little bit of pepper.
Ok. E poi sempre
And a little bit of Parmesan cheese, actually quite
100
a lot.
grammi.
100 grammi. Okay, 100 grams of Parmesan cheese.
E un ovetto anche qui. Per legare. Per
Another
sempre
egg.
stringere.
Okay, great. So with the others and this one, the egg is meant to keep it all together, to make it a sort of a bit more sticky goop.
E tiriamo la sfoglia.
Okay, from me. Okay, so this is it. Okay, all pretty much done. Took about 3 minutes, something like that. Ok, ok, quindi spiegami un po' come mai abbiamo lasciato
Allora, per lasciare riposare il glutine, altrimenti quando la tiriamo ritorna lei la sfoglia.
Sì,
tira.
elasticità.
Esatto.
Ok.
Invece lasciandola riposare lei cede e si distende bene sul tagliere.
Okay, right. So the reason for leaving it for this half an hour is to do with the gluten. Gluten. So the gluten, by all accounts, makes it a little bit more elastic. Okay, so when you start rolling it out, it obviously comes back together again. Whereas if you leave it for a half an hour, it shouldn't do that so much because of the gluten. Okay, so here we are. Let me just show you the rolling pin of Meris's rolling pin. It's enormous. Okay, she obviously, because I'm a rookie at this, I get the smaller one. Okay, right.
Schiacciala un po' così fai meno fatica.
That's the first part finished. The next part is putting the filling in, cooking it and eating it, and obviously having a bit of wine as well. Okay, see you in the next one.